Do you want to know the secret to learning English fast? What if I told you that it's not about being a genius, not about studying for 10 hours a day, but something much simpler?
That's right. Today, we will reveal the real secret. And guess what? You can start using it right now, no matter your level.
Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Benny. Today's topic is the secret to learning English fast. This is a very popular question. Everyone wants to know the fastest way, but we are not going to give you magic pills. Instead, we will give you real advice, motivation, and strategies you can actually use.
Yes, because fast does not mean no effort. Fast means effective, smart, and focused. If you learn the smart way, you save time. If you waste energy, you go slow.
Exactly. So let's share what works.
First, let's talk about consistency. The secret is not studying for 10 hours in one day and then nothing for a week. The secret is to study 20 minutes every day.
Yes, small steps every day build strong habits. Imagine a tree. If you water it a little every day, it grows strong. If you give it 10 liters of water once a month, it will die.
That's a beautiful example, Benny. English learning is the same. Every day, small practice, small effort, small repetition. Over time, this creates big results.
Exactly. Another part of the secret is practice, not only study. Many learners read grammar books and vocabulary lists. That is useful, but if you don't practice speaking, listening, writing, and using the language, you will not progress fast.
Yes, think of English like swimming. You cannot learn to swim only by reading about water. You must jump in.
Absolutely. That's why we recommend speaking to yourself, recording your voice, watching movies and repeating lines, or finding a partner.
And here's a powerful truth. Mistakes help you go faster. If you avoid mistakes, you avoid learning.
I love that. Many people think mistakes mean failure, but mistakes are signs that you are trying, experimenting, and pushing yourself. Without mistakes, you are not moving.
Exactly.
Let's give our listeners one simple example of practice. Imagine two friends talking.
Okay, I'll be friend A, you be friend B. Hey, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I just finished reading an English book.
Really? That's great. What book was it?
It was a short story book. The sentences were easy, but I learned many new words.
Nice. Did you write the new words down?
Yes, I wrote them in my notebook, and I also tried to use them in sentences.
That's smart. Practice is the key.
Yeah, I feel like I remember them better when I use them, not only when I read them.
Exactly. Using the words is the real secret.
Dear listeners, maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel slow. But let me remind you, every step you take counts. Every new word, every short conversation, every minute you spend listening to English is progress.
Yes, do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself today with yourself yesterday. Did you improve even a little? If yes, you are winning.
Remember, the secret is not magic. The secret is persistence.
Let's ask 3 important questions. Question 1. What is more effective? Studying for 2 hours once a week or 20 minutes every day?
The answer is 20 minutes every day. Why? Because your brain learns better with repetition. Daily practice keeps the language fresh in your memory. If you wait 1 week, you forget. But short daily study helps your brain build stronger connections.
Question 2. Should you focus more on grammar or on communication?
The answer is communication. Why? Because grammar rules are useful. But if you only know rules, you cannot talk. The goal of language is to communicate. Grammar will improve naturally with practice. So communication first, grammar second.
Question 3. Is it okay to make mistakes when speaking English?
Yes, it is not only okay, it is necessary. Why? Because mistakes show you where you need to improve. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not trying. And every mistake is a lesson. So don't fear mistakes, use them.
I want to say something to our listeners. You might feel shy, embarrassed, or scared to speak English, but I promise the more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Yes, confidence is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. If you use it every day, it grows.
And always remember, fluency is not about speed. It's about flow. Even if you speak slowly, if you keep going, you are fluent.
That's true.
Let's make a quick quiz for our listeners. 5 questions. Ready?
Let's go.
Question 1. What is better? Studying 10 hours in one day or 20 minutes every day? A. 10 hours in one day. B. 20 minutes every day. Answer B. 20 minutes every day. Question 2. What should be your main focus? A. Grammar rules. B. Communication. Answer B. Communication. Question 3. Is it good or bad to make mistakes? A. Good. B. Bad. Answer A. Good. Question 4. What helps your brain remember better? A. Repetition. B. Forgetting. Answer A. Repetition. Question 5. Which is the real secret to learning English fast? A. Magic tricks. B. Consistency and practice. Answer B. Consistency and practice. Listeners, let me tell you this. You already have the secret. You don't need more books, more apps, more expensive courses. The secret is inside you, your daily effort, your courage, your persistence.
Yes, use what you already know. Speak, write, listen, and repeat. Don't wait until you feel ready. The time is now.
Believe in yourself. Be patient, be brave, and keep moving forward. That is the secret to learning English fast. Before we close today's episode, let's take a moment to reflect. We have talked about the secret to learning English fast. We discovered that it is not about working harder for long hours, but about working smarter with consistency, practice, and the courage to make mistakes.
Yes, we encouraged you to practice every day, even for just 20 minutes. We reminded you that mistakes are not the enemy, but the teacher. And we reminded you that communication comes before perfection. If you can share your thoughts and connect with people, that is already success.
Remember, learning a language is not a race against others. It is your personal journey. Every small word, every new phrase, every short conversation is proof that you are moving forward. Don't be too hard on yourself. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small.
We hope this episode has inspired you to keep going with new energy. We believe in you, and we know you can reach your goals. The secret is not in the books or apps, it is in your daily actions and your mindset.
Now, let us leave you with 2 questions. First, a question to reflect on today. What small action will you take today to practice English, even if it's only for 5 minutes?
And second, a question to make you curious about the next lesson. Do you know how to turn simple English questions into powerful conversations that help you sound more natural?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. Stay tuned because that's exactly what we'll explore in our next episode. Thank you for joining us today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.